everybody. Tagalog pala ako, guys. Hi, guys. Andito ako, guys. Ito, guys, oh. Wait lang, guys. Uy, may ano, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo to. Tingnan ko muna to. Kung sino to. Uy, pony to. Wait lang, guys, ha. Wait. Guys, pangalawa na to. Isa na to. And crack. Wait lang, guys. Crack siya. Magka-crack to, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Wait lang, hindi ko pa nabuksan to eh. Guys, ibabalik ko ulit to. Kasi dito ang ano niya eh. Itlog. Baby pa daw siya. Sorry, baby pa. Kasi hindi pa to nag-crack. Okay guys, bye-bye.
Things you mean to me, oh, I love you, Olivia.